the Gaura Ganesh Deepika, Kavi Karnapur is saying Ananga Manjari is Balaram's form, completely separate, nothing to do with Balaram, no relationship with Balaram, whole nother rasa, whole nother whole nother experience, and whole nother form, you can say, a whole nother way that Balaram serves Krishna. Balaram serves Krishna as his friend in Sakiras. Balaram serves Krishna like his mother and father by protecting him, making sure, you take your tiffin, Ma Yashoda, because his mother is not Yashoda, his mother is Rohini, his father is Vasudeva. He said, hey Krishna, and Mother Yashoda told me to make sure you take your tiffin. Why you're not eating? Oh no, my mind is not good, He says, I know why your mind is not good. Your mind is on that girl from Varsana. Yeah, maybe. Could be. Good chance. But listen, and then Balaram opens the tiffin. Okay, Krishna, take this. So Balaram will feed him, hand him out, just like Mother Yashoda. This is Vatsalya Bhav. But when he's thinking, how I please my Krishna, because the ultimate pleasure is given by Radharani, but I can't be Radharani, but I can be Radharani's sister. I can never please Krishna like Radharani, because Radharani is Krishna's own Swarup Shakti. But I can please him with my own Swarup Shakti. Radharani is Krishna's Radharani is Krishna's Ladani Shakti. Balaram says, I have my Ladani Shakti, now see what I do. Ha! And then, wow! Ananga Manjari, you're 1 year younger? Yeah, usually I'm the older brother. But just take humble pie, eat the humble pie, be in a serving mood towards my little brother. I become the little sister of Radharani. Ananga Manjari ki. So this is what Kavi Karnapur is telling us about the factual identity